Let's learn some colors. Light pink color, black color, pink color, red color, sky blue color, dark blue color, brown color, yellow color, green color, purple color, orange color, light green color, light green color. A for alligator. A for alligator. Light pink color. B for ball. B for ball. Yellow color. C for cat. C for cat. Blue color. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. Pink color. E for eagle. E for eagle. Orange color. F for frog. F for frog. Black color. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Green color. H for hen. H for hen. Brown color. I for igloo. I for igloo. Purple color. J for joker. J for joker. Sky blue color. K for king. K for king. K के बाद आता है L. Red color. L for lemon. L for lemon. Orange color. M for mouth. M for mouth. Black color. N for nest. N for nest. Purple color. O for octopus. O for octopus. Red color. P for peacock. P for peacock. Green color. Q for queen. Q for queen. Brown color. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. Pink color. S for sheep. S for sheep. Black color. T for tiger. T for tiger. Purple color. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Orange color. V for van. V for van. Black color. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Light green color. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Light pink color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Sky blue color. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Dark blue color. 1. Dark blue color. 1. Yellow color. Number 2. Yellow color. Number 2. Blue color. Number 3. Blue color. Number 3. Yellow color. Number 4. Yellow color. Number 4. Blue color. Number 5. Yellow color. Number 6. Blue color. Number 7. Yellow color. Number 8. Number 8. Blue color. Number 9. Yellow color. Number 10. 1 0 10. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, kids. See you in next video.